Today we're going to talk about the benefits of 4D imaging radar in the millimeter wave range over LiDAR. One of the most important benefits is the cost. The cost of radar will always be lower than the cost of a LiDAR because there are no mechanical parts in a radar. Radar is only silicon and PCB. There are no moving parts. There are no electro-optical integration. So the cost would always be somewhere between 5 to 10x lower than LiDAR. The second advantage of radar over LiDAR is when radar is used in bad weather conditions such as fog, rain, dust, snow, smoke. Because of the optical wavelength in a LiDAR is around 1 micrometer, a LiDAR light gets scattered or absorbed due to particles in the air. Whereas the wavelength of a millimeter wave radar is around a few millimeters, and such wavelength does not get absorbed or scattered due to tiny particles in the air. So the radar is for the most part unaffected by any bad weather condition. The third advantage of a millimeter wave radar is the fact that the point cloud of the radar is 4-dimensional. The fourth dimension is velocity. In a point cloud, we provide X, Y, Z, and velocity information per point. Whereas in a LiDAR, every point in a point cloud has only 3 dimensions, X, Y, and Z. If someone wants to calculate the velocity of a target using point cloud from a LiDAR, it requires extra processing and often extensive extra processing. The radar is an attention-based sensor. It is so much easier to see moving objects in a radar compared to static objects. You could easily do what's called static dynamic segmentation. That is, you could turn off all the points in the point cloud that are static and just look at the dynamic points. Or you could do the opposite. You could turn off all the dynamic points and look at the static points. The fifth advantage of radar over LiDAR is that computationally radar is a lot more efficient than the LiDAR. Per scan, you get anywhere from 100,000 to 200,000 points in a LiDAR, whereas in a high-resolution radar, for the same scan time, you often get anywhere from like 10,000 to maybe 20,000 points. That's nearly a factor of 10 less data to be processed. So computationally, it will be a lot less expensive. Another advantage of radar over LiDAR is its long detection range. A person could be detected at well over 300 meters. A car could be detected at 1 kilometer or longer. Whereas for a LiDAR, such detection range is very difficult. If you're using LiDAR in your application and you are wondering if 4D imaging radar in the millimeter wave is a contender, please feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you.